Christianity and Colonialism by Trey Knowles. Colonial missionaries were religious figures who played a central role in European colonialism, spreading Christianity and influencing the cultural and political landscapes of colonized regions. Missionary activity and colonialism. Missionary work was a key part of European colonialism, especially in the British Empire. Missionaries were often involved in the early stages of imperial expansion, and their work provided a sense of moral authority and justice for British missionaries and their supporters. Missionary goals. Missionaries' goals included converting as many native people to Christianity as possible. They believed that converting native people was so important that they sometimes felt justified in using force or violence. Missionary orders. Most missions in the Americas and other colonies were run by religious orders, such as the Franciscans, Augustinians, Jesuits, and Dominicans. Missionary impact. The impact of missionaries on colonized regions included cultural change. Missionaries influenced the spiritual customs of American Indian tribes, and some Indian spiritual customs blended with Christianity. Resistance. Native American resistance to the missions and colonial policies resulted in rebellions that could take years or decades to resolve. Some missionaries opposed the oppressive rule. Some missionaries opposed oppressive colonial rule, worked to maintain the rights of the colonized, and tried to respect and understand local cultures. Note: it is written in Matthew 16 verses 24 to 25. Then Jesus said to his disciples, "Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross and follow me. For whoever wants to save their life will lose it, but whoever loses their life for me will find it." Note: in other words, if a man is not denying himself, he is wicked. How can he do missionary work without doing the missionary work on himself? Note: this how you do missionary work according what Jesus has said. It is written in Matthew 10 verses 13 to 15. If the home is deserving, let your peace rest on it. If it is not, let your peace return to you. If anyone will not welcome you or listen to your words, leave that home or town and shake the dust off your feet. Truly I tell you, it will be more bearable for Sodom and Gomorrah on the day of judgment than for that town. Note: this is how you do missionary work. Anything outside of what Jesus have said to do, it is wicked.